You recorded? Hold on. Alright, y'all. Today I have for y'all some motherfucking chicken Alfredo, you know what I mean? Got you nice chicken Alfredo, some sauteed chicken, you know what I'm saying? And the secret ingredient, which is love. Enjoy.
You can eat that leaf?
Yeah, you can eat the leaf.
Damn, Marvin's tossing this side.
Hey, I've been fucking that chicken up, so I mean, you straight. No, it's not. You
Is it?
You be
That
behaving.
sauce in the can?
That's definitely a homemade sauce. I forgot to say that. That shit homemade, dude. What you thinking? Go ahead. I need your feedback.
It's kind of cold.
Hey, Chapman gonna hold it down for sure.
Y'all try this.
You're tasting this
Like a
Try
bite of each.
Try it.
It should be
Ah,
like
go
a
ahead.
two of each, and
What
then
was
the
the
next one you can eat
spinach
them
for?
all.
That was just for plating. You know what I mean? Just to add, give it a little color. You heard? You just want to give it a little color, make sure everything right.
There's a whole bunch right there.
Nah, this still some more. If y'all want some more, shit, you ain't gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat it.
No, I need it for this.
Shit.
How do you feel? You feeling still on?
It's garlic with plant-based butter, and then I put spinach, bell peppers,
Plant-based butter?
onions, and then Peruvian seasonings.
Yo, it smells
It's not
good.
spicy. It's not spicy.
It smells really good.
Y'all ain't shit judges. Y'all ain't talking about the presentation, none.
Wait, I feel like y'all slept on my presentation.
Before you taste it, you gotta fry that shit up.
No, because I
I
want
gave it a little sniff test. You know what I mean? Little.
Oh no.
This shit is actually pretty
Damn, yo, you might be taking that. I ain't gonna lie.
good. What is this?
This is better than Chavez.
Oh! Hey, my shit was cold. That ain't fair.
Hold that fat ass L, partner.
Hey, shut up.
Hey, y'all shitty judges.
We're going to the next one?
Yeah, it's a shrimp scampi with a white wine reduction.
You brought wine up here and you did.
What?
So Davidson sucks.
You know who's not gonna win?
Oh, you didn't cook that wine out.
Exactly. You're welcome.
So I really like shrimp. So I mean, that might give it.
Hey, Chapman's a shitty ass
Why are you
judge.
guys just eating shrimp by itself? It's like the whole dish. This man ate a tomato.
One at a
A
time.
tomato is not going to win the
One
competition.
at a time.
Then I got the shrimp. I got
I'm
the
still pretty
tomato,
confident
I got
that I'm gonna win.
the orange
Yeah.
stuff.
He don't even know what he's talking about. He said orange stuff. I don't think he's qualified to be a judge.
This competition's rigged. Throw the flag, yo.
That's what I'm saying.
Who? Last minute replacement judge.
You fucking it up though.
This is the best dish. By far. Let me go back real quick.
I'm out here to save a
Hold
little
on.
bit.
He said that's the best dish, but I'm the only dish that he completely ate. Huh. Shit is rigged.
I'm gonna try this one again.
What is this little stuff floating around?
Onion. Shallot.
Yo, you just eat a
Did you want the noodles like
Hey, bro, I like
kind of
food.
al dente a little bit, or is that what you're doing?
Bro, you like
He
shrimp.
can't even spell what he just said.
I
On my
want there to
mama.
be a sauce.
Oh, that went wild again.
I like how he said
AKA
his
Mr.
tongue out
Thickums. Look at him. That's Mr.
That's crazy as
Thickums.
fuck because that means y'all just made out.
Chavez, you do get points though, because you have a sauce and kind of like makes the noodles go down a little bit easier.
Yeah, I kind of like the cold, slimy noodle thing.
Hey, bro, if it was one. Hey, bro, he's really trying to get fucked up right now.
The chicken, it has a nice like flavor to it, like nice char.
Yo, I forgot there's chicken.
I appreciate that.
Oh, they funny.
I appreciate that. Hold on. We gotta give out the deductions though, too.
Yeah, so my dish I finished after the timeline. So they said that I can still present my dish, and if they liked it enough, even though it was late, then whatever.
How much time did you go over?
About 45 minutes.
No, like a minute or 2 minutes.
About 45 minutes.
Who do you pick your roast?
Go ahead. Me first. Alright.
Oh.
The Alfredo, I'm lactose intolerant, so you tried to kill me, so that's negative points.
Hey, did I know
kidding,
that?
I'm
Oh, I was about to say,
No, the chicken was good though. I was surprised. That one though, whatever you put in there, that shit was good. The spice shit, I don't know what it is, but I need some of that later. But that, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. By far. Oh, by far. This was
Yeah,
my
he
favorite.
good?
Yo, Trevor really fucked up all three of them things.
Chavez.
Yes.
This is amazing.
I liked what you did with your meal. What's it called again?
Chicken Alfredo
Alfredo.
with the secret ingredient of love.
I really like that part. Honestly,
That's how I got it so thick.
I think it was better than Yovera's dish.
That's all I need. I didn't want to win. Hey, they trying to say I
Your
couldn't
dish
cook.
was really like greasy.
Oh.
Because it has like,
Maybe a little too much. I don't know.
okay.
It's just like my mouth.
You guys, you're not paying me.
My mouth is like really greasy now. I don't know. It's good though, but the winner's gotta be Davidson. That shit was bomb.
I wouldn't say that.
Chavez. The chicken was good. I like the chicken, like the flavor with it. But the noodles by itself is kind of like a little bland. But you do have a sauce though, compared to other people that didn't.
Oh my god.
But your dish was still good though. But I had to give it to you there. The spice and the heat just made it her dish stand out.
Okay.
So
Hold on. Did I get second?
No, you ended up in third.
I ended up in third on that?
Because none of them
I had the
picked
worst
you
dish?
for number one.
You two are kind of even because you had a sauce, but it was bland. She didn't, but it was
Okay.
it had flavor.
Okay.
So
Hey, Mom, would you rate my dish? Second?
No, third.
Thank
And he put it second.
Hey, all I'm gonna say is I beat
Okay,
Yovera one
so the
round.
question
That's all I
is-
needed.
So the question is, by 3 votes I would win, but I went over the time limit. So did I win enough that I would still win, or would it be a tie,
Yeah.
or who would it go to?
I'm actually gonna go there then, because those are close. I'll probably go Yovera.
So, but that's 1 vote for Yovera, 1 vote for me, and 1 vote for Yovera. So Yovera.
if you would have had the sauce, I feel like you
Well, I made
probably
her.
Yeah.
I put
Hey,
her
hold on. Can I throw down though?
your food by itself
Was edible.
different
dog.
No, it was
compartments.
fine. It was fine. It was
Different
fine.
components of
I
your
can
food
throw
was
down.
good. Like the chicken was good, the noodles were all right. It's just they were kind of bland. You had no flavor.
That's crazy.
You put salt in water?
Salt and pepper next time, dog.
I had salt, pepper.
Maybe if you
Thank you guys.
Maybe
Let's do some interviews.
I guess you can't.
Let's do some interviews now.
Yovera,
Okay.
congratulations.
The winner.
Thank you.
The winner. How do you feel?
It was close, you know. Davidson almost beat me, but
I like
Did
all
it.
yours.
Okay.
Your food was really good.
Thanks.
Yours was really good too. It was so close.
Come over on this side.
I take a lot of time when I cook. You know, it takes longer because I put so much of my love into it. The flavor was there though, so
was
I
there.
feel good.
I liked everybody's. I, like
I feel good that I took extra
yeah,
time.
she took a risk, you know.
I took extra time to put love into my food.
Of course, but you can't eat on that.
No, but I mean, Yovera can throw it out in the kitchen. We already knew that.
We
so.
did.
You still my phone charger.
I'm just glad that we got.
You're actually
full
trying to
power.
try it.
Chavez,
What's up?
interview. How do you feel about that?
I feel
loss?
good, you know what I mean? I feel like the judges, you know what I mean? I feel like they were a little underqualified to be judging my type of, you know what I mean? My type of cooking. So it's okay, and I understand. I'm not a sore loser. I'm gonna take this L on the chin. I'm gonna get back in the gym, you know what I mean? And we're gonna get back to
Oh,
it.
you work out. You lift.
Of course.
Let's
I don't
see.
get this big. I don't get this big doing nothing.
So there you have it, guys.
That was a dub.
Chavez is a loser. Yovera's number 1.
Hey, the real question is, if they had the same amount of time as Davidson, would theirs be as good?
2 minutes more. You never know. Never know.
Probably not.